Today we are at a full wedding day, and I'm not going to do a whole lot of voiceover, just let you experience the day as it is. Taylor Jackson.
Shooting 67 weddings last year.
Taylor Jackson, welcome.
So Taylor, you are well known in this community. You're an amazing photographer.
First day out here with the Leica Q2, and really enjoying the size of it right now. This is basically replacing a Nikon D850 or my Nikon D750 and a 24mm f1.4G lens, which basically is probably triple, quadruple the physical size and also way more than double the weight. We'll have to reenact the part that I just didn't film. Yeah, Tim, it is a Leica.
Tell me what specifically you enjoy about this camera.
There's this button back here, Tim.
Oh yeah.
That goes from 28mm to 35mm to 50mm to 75mm because it's a 40+ megapixel camera. So you can shoot all photo, but then also in video, it's stabilized. So you can just you can have the 28 to 75.
Wow.
What you want, all at 1.7, stabilized, 60 frames a second, HD.
What are the downsides, Taylor?
The downsides are the fact that it's really expensive.
There's gonna be another.
It's lighter.
It is lighter.
Just the most confused.
The Raptors had just won the NBA championship, so this is a commemorative photo of that event. Leica Q2 does a really great job at everything. Unfortunately, just the video is a deal breaker for me that I can't control video manually, so I can't really use this camera at a wedding day for hybrid coverage. Just like that, looks amazing. Perfect. And you can just actually walk down like you're going this way. Yeah, you can look at what you're actually doing. Pause here for a brief second. All right. That's good. And then you can probably go around the pathway that way. And whenever you're ready, you can just go up and tap them on the shoulder. And there you go.
So good.
All right. Let's do one or two with you guys just right here first. And if you guys want to both look at me for one or two here. Why look, a natural frame.
Do you use natural frames? Frames.
Interlinked. That's part of the Nikon show that'll be out later this month. Or that episode won't be. That's part of Japan. That's 10 weeks from now. Well, it's still cloudy for a minute. I'm just going to have everybody lined up here. Tim suspects we have 3 minutes of cloud. All right, this looks great. And then all guys, angle yourselves in, kind of like on a, I don't know what angle that is. And same with the girls. And girls get in nice and close, so you can kind of, even if you come in a little closer, you can put the dress kind of right behind. And then hold your bouquets a little bit lower than you'd expect, almost belly button height. Yeah, you can be, well, smile at me first for a second and be happy. And then if everyone wants to be really serious for a second. Awesome. And can I make you all talk to each other even though it's really funny and uncomfortable? All right, thank you. While there might be more scenic locations, I would rather get people in good light. People tend to like photos when they look good in them.
Just dive right in, follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful, sweet. I never knew it was someone waiting for me. We were just kids when we fell in love. I will not give you up this time. in love with you.
Inviting us to be a part of the celebration today. And obviously, thank you for falling in love. Ring and place it on your finger. And again, repeat after this. I, Michael, give to you, Jacqueline, this ring.
I, Michael, give to you, Jacqueline, this ring.
As a symbol of my commitment.
As a symbol of my commitment.
To love, honor, and respect you.
To love, honor, and respect you.
I, Jacqueline, give to you, Michael, this ring.
I, Jacqueline, give you, Michael, this ring.
As a symbol of my commitment.
As a symbol of my commitment.
You may now kiss as husband and wife will celebrate. One more very simple part of the ceremony, and then we're done. Actually, one of my favorite parts because I get to do right now what nobody has ever done before. Introduce the couple to you as a married couple, as one of them, an honor. So let's continue to celebrate as I introduce you to the new.
I wish you had appetizers just so the venue has more marketing images and I can send them to them and they'll be very happy with me.
Get a photo of everyone here. Get nice and close. You face me this way, actually. This sounds better.
You gotta face together.
Yeah. You guys want to go on that side, maybe? Yeah. Perfect. That's excellent, everyone. Everyone looking here. Big smiles. 1, 2. Thank you very much. Just trying to get a photo before you. Okay, right? Right there is perfect. Get more people. You can bring more people in. Great. You want to do sunglasses off just because of your eyes? That's okay. Perfect. Everyone looking here. Big smiles.
Copyrighted music in the background of this one, so I'm going to talk over it rather than getting a copyright strike on YouTube. I basically found the biggest space of shade that I could, and even though the background is not the most ideal, again, people are going to like themselves in the images a lot better, and they care a little bit less about the technical of the background.
The main event, make some noise for the big night that is finally upon us, the wedding of Jackie and Mike.
This is a better situation than last time when I was in the center of the room, completely alone. Today I have Tim. Great. Got bread.
This is a flour salad. It has beets. It has flowers. It has arugula.
Between us. So most people had to use a couple hints.
I'd like to thank Jason, because you're the reason I got into university, because I copied off of being a calculus, chemistry.
Even this looks really good. You guys can just keep walking kind of as you are. And you can just look at each other as though you're just going for a sunset walk. This is me putting a gel on my flash to match my light with the lights that are in the ceiling to make things a little more balanced. And as you'll see, the color changes a little bit as you move around, but good quality of light kind of everywhere. And you can fix it through white balance if you wish. All right, that's all for today. Join up to Patreon if you want to get 7 videos that you're not going to see here on YouTube in the first couple of days of March. You're going to get how to get your first 10,000 followers on Instagram, how to get published, how to get your wedding photography published, pricing for wedding photographers, hybrid coverage, why it's important, how to make more money as a wedding photographer, becoming a preferred vendor, and Instagram and Facebook ads and what you've been doing wrong. Those are all different videos, and you're going to get them all if you sign up to Patreon right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.